Hey everyone, it's Marks here. We all know the struggle when your data plan runs dry or you're in a new city and need to connect. In this video, I'm hooking you up with 7 ways to get free Wi-Fi no matter where you are. Alright, let's kick things off with the obvious but sometimes overlooked public places. Think about it. Coffee shops, libraries, airports, even some museums. These places are practically giving away Wi-Fi like it's hot coffee on a summer day. Most of the time, you'll find a network that's free to join, maybe after watching a quick ad. But here's the pro tip. Don't be afraid to ask. Ask the barista, the librarian, whoever's around. They usually have the password for a more stable connection. Public networks can be a little sketchy security-wise. So, my advice? Stick to browsing, streaming, catching up on emails, things that don't involve sensitive information. And hey, while we're on the topic of security, a VPN is your best friend when connecting to public Wi-Fi. Next up, let's talk about public hotspots. I'm talking about city-wide networks, usually branded as city Wi-Fi or something similar. These are becoming more common, and honestly, they're a game changer. Imagine walking through the park and boom, free, fast Wi-Fi. These municipal networks tend to be more secure than random public hotspots. But overall, public hotspots are a solid option for staying connected on the go. Okay, this next tip is a bit more situational. Let's say you're walking down the street, desperate for Wi-Fi, and you see a sign for a restaurant or a store with that glorious free Wi-Fi symbol. If you're genuinely in need, maybe grab a coffee or browse their shelves for a bit, and politely ask if you can use their Wi-Fi for a few minutes. Most places are pretty cool about it, especially if you're a paying customer. Just remember, be respectful, be polite, and don't overstay your welcome. This next one might surprise you, your internet service provider or ISP. A lot of major ISPs have started rolling out these massive Wi-Fi networks, often using their existing infrastructure. So, if you're a subscriber, you might already have access to a ton of free hotspots without even realizing it. Check your ISP's website or give them a call to see if they offer this service. You might be surprised at how many free Wi-Fi spots are hiding in plain sight. Alright, let's switch gears and talk about your smartphone. Your phone can actually be a powerful tool for getting free Wi-Fi, indirectly at least. Think about it. Your phone is basically a portable Wi-Fi hotspot. You can tether your laptop, tablet, even your friend's phone to your phone's data connection. Just remember to keep an eye on your data usage so you don't get hit with any nasty overage fees. Using your phone as a hotspot can be a lifesaver. Now, if you're constantly on the move, traveling to new cities, or just like to be prepared for anything, then you need to get yourself a free Wi-Fi app. These apps are like having a sixth sense for sniffing out free Wi-Fi. They use your location and crowdsourced data to show you all the nearby Wi-Fi hotspots, including passwords if they're available. There are tons of these apps out there, some more popular than others. But basically, you download the app, open it up, and it'll show you a map of all the free Wi-Fi spots in your area. Always use your best judgment and be careful about which networks you connect to. Alright, this last tip is for those times when you're feeling a little bit cheeky. If you're really stuck and can't find any free Wi-Fi, there's always the option of asking a friendly stranger if you can borrow theirs. Just be polite, explain your situation, and maybe offer to buy them a coffee or something in return for their generosity. But hey, it's worth a shot, right? And there you have it. 7 ways to get free Wi-Fi wherever you are. From cafes to city-wide networks, your phone to friendly strangers, there's always a way to stay connected without breaking the bank. Just remember, while free Wi-Fi is awesome, it's important to stay safe and secure. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button for more tech tips and tricks, and I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.